In this video, we're going to show you how to install a coolant reservoir and washer pump on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located behind the bumper on the passenger side. Let's get started. Using a T25 bit, remove the 3 screws off the front apron. We're looking up at the bottom of the bumper. On the corner, we're going to use a T25 bit and we're going to remove the 3 screws. Do the same thing on the other side. We have one more right here in the middle. Going through the wheel well, looking up at the corner of the bumper, we're going to have a T25 screw. Go ahead and remove that screw. Down from there, we have 2 more. Go ahead and remove those. Do the same thing on the other side. Grab the grill, and we're going to pull it forward. You'll feel the snap in the middle pull up. And you're going to take your hand and go right on the corner of this grill. And you're going to pop it out. Do the same thing on the other side. And remove the grill piece. To remove the front bumper, we need to push on all of these tabs and pull straight forward. Using a pick tool or something similar, just push on the tabs and pull out on the bumper as you go down the line. Pull out on the corner of the bumper. Go do the same thing on the other side. Remove the bumper from the vehicle. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt. Pull the neck forward, and then we're going to twist this. And we're going to twist it off of the reservoir base. We're going to remove the connector off the washer pump. Push on the tab, pull straight up, and remove the connector. We have one more connector. We have a tab on top and bottom. You're going to pinch both of these at the same time. Pull straight out and remove the connector. Those are our 2 push tabs. There's a bunch of sand that can get inside of the connector, and then these won't be able to move. If that happens to you, use a pick and pick up on the end of the tab through the side, kind of like this, and try and get all the sand out of the connector. Using a pick tool, I'm going to pull this tab back. With that black clip slid back, we can remove this. When we do that, fluid is going to start coming out of our pump. Included with your kit is some clear hose. I'm going to install this clear hose over the washer pump. And I have this going into a container to catch all of my fluid. Let all of the fluid drain out. Drain out as much fluid as you can, and then remove that clear hose. Using a trim tool, pop the plastic stay for the harness off of the windshield washer reservoir. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove 1 bolt and 2 nuts for the windshield washer reservoir. There's 1 bolt in front and 2 nuts out back. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 nuts. Remove the windshield washer reservoir. Install the windshield washer reservoir and get the front bolt started. Get the two nuts in the rear started by hand. Snug down the two nuts. Snug down the bolt in the front. Install the plastic stay. Install the connector for the windshield washer pump. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a push, make sure it's locked on. Install the windshield washer hose. Be sure it's fully seated, and then close the locking tab. Give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the connector in the rear. Push until you hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the filler neck onto the washer reservoir. Twist and push down until it's fully seated. You want to get this embossment over that pin, just like that. Install the 10mm bolt and snug it down. Open up the reservoir. We're going to fill our washer fluid reservoir with any fluid we had left over. Close the cap. Install the bumper into place. I'm going to clip it into the middle on all of the clips. Pull the bumper up and over the headlight. Pull the corner over into place. Go repeat this same process on the other side. Pull the bumper over into place. Install the screw up through the bottom. Install the two screws through the fender liner. Install the screws up through the bumper. Get them nice and snug. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the middle screw, get it nice and tight. Install the grill into place. We have to slide that front in and it'll clip into place. Pull it back and get all of these top tabs installed under that air dam. Go down the front, locking everything into place. Install the 3 top bolts. Get them nice and snug. And we have one more on the other corner. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.